Michelle and I am here because I'm so excited and have a big review for you. So this gorgeous bob, how beautiful is this? This is called Dawn. Dawn is by Jon Renau and she is part 2 launch of their HD collection. This is so exciting. I'm wearing the shade FS27. Woo! Just like my favourite ever shade. I love FS27. So Dawn is beautiful. I am going to insert the lengths. This is just such a gorgeous modern bob, as you guys can see, and it is just so beautifully done. Really gorgeous. Let me turn and show you the back properly. If we have a wee look, and yeah, absolutely stunning. I just love this so much. Now you can obviously, because it's heat friendly fibre, you can use straighteners and make her poker straight bob, or you can, I kind of like her how she is. There's a slight bevel but not anything too heavy in the bottom, just a slight bevel. I actually really love her as she is. What I adore, we have this lace front and we have a full monofilament top, so whether you like a kind of left parting, a centre parting, a right parting, it's going to look like those hairs are growing out your very own head, whatever way you choose to wear her. Now for me, I sometimes like to wear a bob nice and smooth and pure sleek and like actually really blunt ends and have it poker straight. Other times I like to have the bevel. Sometimes I like to add a wee bit of volume by just using some product and just kind of putting my fingers through. Like the Peace Out Contour Cream by Jon Renau is perfect on bobs if you're wanting to add a wee bit of texture up about the roots, or you know, anything like that at all. I often tend to tuck one side of a bob behind my ear because I don't know, it's just habit, and I just used to do that when I had hair too. So, but yeah, really gorgeous. Now this cap is absolutely beautiful. I'm going to take it off and show you her in the inside. This is an average size. As we've said, we do have that amazing ear-to-ear lace front, which is really beautiful. We have a full single monofilament welded mono top here. Open wefted back and sides. You've got your velvet nape with velcro adjusters and your velvet covered ear tabs here with the metal stays inside. Now it's just such a gorgeous style. I honestly, FS27 is just my jam. I love FS27, I love a wee redhead. But yeah, what a gorgeous style. I just love it. The fibres on these are just insane. They are so good, and actually it's so much easier to manage, I find, than a standard synthetic. If you have any sort of frizzing or any of that kind of stuff, you just need to run your flat irons, your straighteners over, add a bit of heat, use your HD detangler, smooth detangler spray, just a wee bit of that before you wear it each day, just to help prevent a bit of that friction. I just love this. I mean, if you put your fingers through her, you can see how that hair just falls so naturally, and it's just so beautiful. It is really gorgeous. Jon Renau have done such an amazing job with the design of these. Yeah, I just really like them. So yeah, I wanted to show you because I was so excited about this wig. It's really beautiful. So this is Dawn, shade FS27 by Jon Renau, and yeah, once it's available, I will pop a wee link down below so that you can go and shop at MIMO Wigs for this gorgeous style. Totally recommend her. If you guys love Kristen, if you guys love Christy, if you love these kind of bobs, then this is probably sits about the same length. You don't have tons of permatease, nothing like that. It's just, it sits so naturally. I would say these HD wigs that we're seeing from Jon Renau now, they just look far more natural. They just sit so beautifully. They are so comfortable to wear. They are lightweight. They look natural, and just, they make me feel so good. And like, you want to feel good if you're wearing a wig, because often, let's be honest, like especially at the start of a hair loss journey, you don't feel good about having to wear a wig to look like you have got hair. So when you put on a wig and it actually makes you go, oh, feel lovely, it's just such an amazing feeling. And Jon Renau are great at kind of really focusing on their end users, their clients, their wearers, just for these sort of things. So yeah, this is Dawn by Jon Renau, and I would say 10 out of 10. I love her. So take care, keep sparkling, be beautiful, and I'll see you guys soon with another wig review. Mwah! Bye!